My wife doesn't know. Final inside. Oh, my wife doesn't know. Gates open, they're up and racing. Leica in Manila moving up while this Fury running by the rail so gorgeous as they race towards the 900 meters pole while this Fury leading the field. Leica in Manila so gorgeous racing in third. My wife knows all is sorry outside, then followed by Jupiter Thunder, followed by number 1 Graceful Nonner and Show Me Magic in behind them. Passing the 800 meters pole, Waldis Fury in command, followed by Leica in Manila. Then moving up on the outside, My Wife Knows All as they rounded the 600. Waldis Fury leading the field, followed now by Leica in Manila. My Wife Doesn't Know moving up on the outside. So gorgeous Jupiter Thunder. Waldis Fury, My Wife Doesn't Know running on the outside. But it's still Waldis Fury. Show Me Magic is by the rail and on the outside. My Wife Doesn't Know. Waldis Fury, Show Me Magic by the rail. My Wife Doesn't Know. It's still entry number 4, Waldis Fury, My Wife Doesn't Know. And finally, Waldis Fury close between Graceful Nonner, My Wife Doesn't Know, Show Me